Hello. I just wanted to go on here really quick and make a suggestion. If you purchase a resale home with older appliances, do yourself a favor and purchase a home warranty. The reason I mention this is my home is a little bit older, and Jeff and I went through our second dishwasher before he finally okayed for me to go ahead and purchase a home warranty. So it turns out that ever since we got the home warranty, they came and fixed the dishwasher. It works perfectly. The refrigerator, on the other hand, I never got around to calling for them to fix it. It fixed itself. So at the very least, when you purchase this home warranty, it'll pay for itself because everything will start working perfectly. So, and here's my shirt in case anybody wants a shirt like this. It says, "I'm sorry I'm late. I didn't want to come." Obviously, I have to only wear this shirt at home, but that's it. That's it for now.